We're live over here back at the pond behind In-N-Out Burger. Looks like the temps are hot, and this round I'm bringing the Shimano Scorpion BFS XG along with the it's the Berkeley lightning rod from way back when, and I did a little 3D ultralight crankbait. Not really feeling good with this 3D lure that I printed out the other day. It's not got the right action. I think I need to make some adjustments with it. So right now I just kind of want to see if I can get something to strike, and if not, I'll switch it out with I think I'll go with an inline spinner. Favorite ones out of this is a rooster tail in this fire tiger color right here. This one tends to get a lot of bites. Do have it is kind of bent though, so it's been beaten up. So let's just kind of see if I can get that one on there real quick, and maybe I might be able to get a fish or two that way. And we're just going to do some ultralight bait casting. Just kind of get it out there. And what I noticed with the rooster tails is a slow retrieve tends to get bit much more readily than a fast retrieve. So I'm just going to go with a slow. There's a hit right there. Right off the bat, slow retrieve. Nice. Okay, first fish of the day is going to be a little bluegill. Nice. Fire tiger rooster tail. Okay. Let's go back around. Actually, let's go over here real quick. Let's work kind of parallel or at a acute angle to the bank and see what happens. Come on, right there. Yeah, this is riding fairly low or fairly high in the water column. So I may have to slow it down some more. Let's just get it way out there. I'm gonna let it sink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I counted to 8. Oh, there's the hit. Oh, wow. So yeah, they're a little bit deeper. Okay, 8 and a slow retrieve. Get you a blue gully. Nice. Okay. Ultralight bait casting using that 1/16 ounce rooster tail fire tiger right here. All right, let's see some other folks. Duckling, hello Duckling. How's it going? Just chilling on a Sunday, on a hot Sunday, trying to get a fish or two to strike. There's a hit. Okay, so what I'm noticing is cast it out, let it sink, and do a slow retrieve back in. And they tend to be, there's a hit. Oh, he's a good one. And they tend to be hitting down below versus up above. And probably makes sense since the temperature is 98 and rising still. All right, well, he's not a big one, but he counts. A bass on that fire tiger rooster tail. Just cut it in half and go a 4 count. And let's see what happens. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Got that steady retrieve. Yeah. Now, one thing that I did notice with the Cascade Zephyr versus like the Shimano or the flight feather that I use, when you're fishing a Cascade Zephyr, I usually go down to about 6-pound tests, because if I go to 4 or 2, the line diameter tends to have the line go under the spool. Haven't had as much if an issue at all using 2-pound tests with the Scorpion. 98, 100 plus degrees out here definitely runs havoc on the phone. So we're gonna have to redo this another time. You're using 2-pound test? No, I'm using 4-pound test on the Scorpion BFS XG. The 2-pound test is what I'm using on the flight feather with the trout magnets. All right, but anyways, it looks like I'm gonna have to end the stream. Bummer. I guess we gotta wait till it gets cooler. All right, we'll catch y'all later.